The roads have got so many potholes. Instead of repairing those, having such a big fund for repairing the potholes, they want to replace their cars. I don't think so. They should put the exchequer's money at risk or just to blow it up. Tomorrow they'll say we are not comfortable in the Innova. Get us a Mercedes or a BMW.
The Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation is planning to upgrade its official vehicles which are being used by some of its top elected representatives. The civic body is expected to place a proposal before the municipal corporation to replace the currently used Mahindra, Scorpio and SUVs with brand new Toyota Innova Krista cars. The proposed purchase, estimated to cost around 1.5 crore, is being justified on the grounds of improved comfort for public representatives who frequently travel long distances across Mumbai for meetings, inspections and civic work. Mayor Ritu Taude said that several committee chairpersons travel daily from distant suburbs such as Dahisar, Kandivali and Borivali, making a more comfortable vehicle necessary. She also clarified that no fresh tender is being issued as the proposal is only to change the type of vehicle being allotted. However, the proposal has sparked a political debate. Leader of the opposition Kishori Pednekar has denied seeking a replacement for her official vehicle, saying the Scorpio assigned to her earlier this year is new and does not need to be changed. Responding to the criticism, Mayor Ritu Taude claimed that Pednekar had initially agreed to the proposal but has now taken a different stand. Regarding this, we spoke to Congress corporator Tulip Miranda. Let's hear it from her, what she had to say.
See, I don't think so. It is a very necessary and viable option today because these cars which have been already, the Mahindra Scorpio which has already been given to them, it's just around 6 months back that those new cars were given to all these officers. Now, if supposing they are finding discomfort, I don't think so. They should put the exchequer's money at risk or just to blow it up. Tomorrow they'll say we are not comfortable in the Innova. Get us a Mercedes or a BMW. I think so. It's going to blow up the money which is there with the municipal corporation, which is not even the municipal corporation's money, but it is the taxpayers' money. If there is discomfort, the entire Mumbai is suffering with the discomfort. Pehle raste, just get the roads pothole free. The roads have got so many potholes. Instead of repairing those, having such a big fund for repairing the potholes, they want to replace their cars. I don't see the logic between that. I don't think so. The official vehicles are a priority because number one, they are new vehicles. Number two, I think so in the main Sabhagara in the house, Mr. Khankar very clearly said that because of the traffic congestion, because of the time taken, I usually travel by train. Apart from that, if the vehicle is provided by the institution is not comfortable to you, you should be free to travel by your own vehicle. I don't think so. There is a need to, to waste or to put the exchequer's money at risk because already you are digging into the fixed deposits, you are digging into every fund of the corporation. So I don't think so. It's a viable option. I'll look at it from this point of view that you are not traveling beyond Mumbai. You're not traveling out of Mumbai. Every Mumbai car is facing the traffic situation. Every Mumbai car is facing the potholes which are there while traveling. So we don't come from planet Mars that we are not supposed to face that. If the Mumbai car is facing it, we should face it and experience the hardship of the Mumbai car. And you are not traveling for 4 and 6 hours. If you are traveling within Mumbai, we're not telling you to travel out of state in those cars. You are traveling for your work within the city of Mumbai. I think so it is justified. The taxpayers are very angry and upset about it because the taxpayers are paying their money so that this money is utilized in the proper direction to provide proper infrastructure, that is roads, waters, gutters, meters. It is for that purpose, not for the luxury of corporators. The corporators here, Ritu Taude, let it be Ritu Taude, Kishori Pednekar, let it be Khankar, let it be all the leaders who are there who are going to partake of this free car service which is provided to them for the, of course, for the works of the people. But the point is that you are supposed to work for the people. All the corporators are given 25,000 as an honorarium, not a salary. It is an honorarium to do the works of the people. And when you are doing service of the people, I don't think so you should be demanding luxury. If you want the luxury, bring it from home.